Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily copy and paste images from Pinterest to Canva. So if you work on Canva daily, have a lot of projects, and need images from Pinterest, this method will help you save time. Instead of downloading each image from Pinterest and then uploading it to Canva, copying and pasting from Pinterest to Canva is a real time saver. Make sure you are logged in to your account. For example, if I'm creating memes or any kind of design, I will go to the three dots, then just copy the image by selecting Copy Image, and then go to my design page and just paste it. In this way, you can simply copy and paste any image from Pinterest to your Canva pages. This will save you a lot of time and is even more effective if you work on Canva projects daily. It's a helpful tip, and I will see you in the next video. It's a simple and easy process. I will see you in the next video.